Good morning, welcome to the IT Voice weekly channel news. I, Rini Gupta, will bring you the latest updates and innovation from the channel news industry. Dell has unveiled the Latitude 7455 Copilot Plus AI PC in India, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon X series processor. The Latitude 7455 offers up to 22 hours of local video playback and is optimized by AI through Dell Optimizer software for enhanced performance and thermal management. It is the thinnest laptop in the Latitude lineup, featuring Snapdragon X series processor for high performance. The device includes a Qualcomm Orion CPU, Adreno GPU, and Hexagon NPU for optimized efficiency. Latitude 7455 incorporates recycled and low emissions materials, including recycled plastic and aluminum, and features a packaging made of 100% recycled content. The Latitude 7455 will be available exclusively for business users starting August 1, 2024, with the starting price of INR 1,59,990. HP has introduced the latest flagship laptop, the Spectre X36014, marking a significant upgrade in its convertible laptop lineup. Features a stunning 13.5-inch OLED touchscreen display with a high resolution that offers a vibrant colors and sharp details, enhancing both productivity and entertainment experiences. Equipped with the latest 12th Gen Intel Core processor, the laptop promises powerful performance for a multitasking and demanding application. Comes up with a 16 GB of RAM and a maximum of 1 TB SSD storage, ensuring fast data access and a sample space of a file application. The Spectre X36014 boasts a premium build with a sleek aluminum chassis that the both durable and visually appealing. It is available in multiple colors in suit different styles, offer up to 14 hours of battery life and single charge, making it ideal for a long working hours and extended use without needing to recharge frequently. Acer Day 2024 returns with the theme of AI Am Limitless, showcasing Acer's AI-enhanced products designed to push the boundaries of technology and creativity. The celebration begins on August 1 in India. This spans the PAP region. From August 1 to August 18, Acer exclusive stores will offer discounts, cashback, free warranties, and accessories with the select laptops. Customers can also participate in contests to win various prizes. The Acer Day online sale featured deals such as 100% cashback opportunities, discount up to 44% of exclusive student discount. Acer product focus on AI to enhance user experience and foster creativity, aligned with the current trends and demands of the digital era. Thermaltake has launched the Series 350MX Mid Tower chassis, available in 7 colors: black, snow, matcha green, hydrangea blue, racing green, bumblebee, and bumble pink. The Series 350MX is designed for visual appeal with the hidden connector motherboard support for a cleaner cable management. It features 2 interchangeable front panels and a tempered glass panel for visibility and a perforated panel for airflow. Case supports up to 5 140mm fans for 7 120mm fans and can accommodate radiators up to 360mm at the front of 280mm at the top. It also supports a power supply of up to 220mm and a GPU up to 370mm in length. Users can add 2.1 circle LCD screen kit, which display real-time information allowed to customization with images or GIFs. The case support hidden connector motherboards like the Asus BTF series, MSI Project Zero series, and a Gigabyte Project Stealth series, which help in organizing cables for a cleaner look. Redington Ltd reported highest ever Q1 revenue at Rs 21,335 crore for the quarter ended June 30, 2020. Showing strong performance across all business segments, the net profit grew by 13% YoY with a PAT of 1.42%. The company's performance remains resilient despite market challenges in various regions. Redington is evolving from a distributor to a holistic technology solution provider, addressing demand for consumer devices, hybrid work environments, SMB and enterprise solutions, and emerging technologies. The growth is driven by a strong performance in a cloud and endpoint solution, with significant contributions from India and UAE. The company is adapting to market conditions in Africa and Turkey. Telecom companies were the most targeted sector in the first half of 2024, followed by mass media and construction development companies. Telecom faced 284 cybersecurity incidents per 10,000 systems, while mass media saw 180 attacks per 10,000 systems. Other sectors like construction, food, and industrial also experienced significant attacks. Successful attacks on telecoms can expose millions of consumer records and facilitate further attacks. Mass media is targeted during conflicts, and construction firms are vulnerable due to a subcontractor resilience. Implement managed detection and response for a proactive threat detection. Conduct regular compromise assessment and incident response. Build internal security operation with SOC consulting. Provide SOC teams with up-to-date threat intelligence and training. Adopt advanced security solution and conduct security assessment. Thank you for tuning in the weekly channel news bulletin. See you next week.